Hello. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel.
Hello,
How can I help you?
I have a reservation.
Great. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Sarah Brown.
Let me check. Yes, I found your reservation. One room for 2 nights.
Yes, that's correct.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Please sign here.
Okay,
Here is your key card.
thank you.
Your room number is 305 on the third floor.
Great.
The elevator is on your left.
Okay, is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included.
What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
What kind of breakfast do you have?
We have bread, eggs, cheese, fruit, and coffee.
That sounds good. Is there free Wi Fi in the hotel?
Yes, there is free Wi-Fi.
What is the Wi Fi password?
The password is on your key card.
Does it work in my room?
Yes, it works in your room and public areas.
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 p.m.
Can someone help me with my luggage?
Of course, our staff will help you. Hello, I will help you with your bags.
Thank you very much.
Please follow me.
All right.
Which floor, please?
The third floor, please. Great.
This is your room, number 305. Okay, here are your bags.
Thank you very much. Wow, the room looks nice.
I'm glad you like it.
Is there air conditioning?
Yes, you can control it here.
Great. And where is the bathroom?
It's right there, next to the bed.
And how can I call the reception?
Just use the phone on this desk and press 0.
Okay, thank you.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. Reception. How can I help you?
Hello, this is room 305. I need some help, please.
Of course. What do you need?
Can I have some towels, please?
Yes. We can bring some towels to your room.
And can I have more pillows, please?
Sure. We will send them right away.
What time is room cleaning?
Room cleaning is from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Can you clean my room now?
Yes, someone will come in a few minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to stay one more night, please.
Certainly. Would you like to keep the same room?
Yes, please.
Let me check. All right. I have extended your stay.
That's great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
What is your room number?
It's 305.
Here is your bill.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Here you are. Thank you.
Here is the key card.
Thank you. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Goodbye. Thanks for watching this English conversation for beginners. Practice every day and see you in the next lesson.